Hey, welcome to Nourishable. I'm Dr. Lara, and this is my first of a new style of episode I'm trying out called Nourishable Raw. These Nourishable Raw episodes will come out once a week, and it's just a very organic conversation about what I'm thinking about in nutrition right now. So stay tuned, they'll always be released on Tuesdays. And today is January 1st of 2019, so brand new year, Happy New Year. And today, what I've really been thinking about a lot are New Year's resolutions, especially as they relate to health. So frequently, people will start a New Year's resolution with the goal of losing weight or becoming healthier, and they'll, attach themselves to a really strict program. So whether it's Whole30 or, replacing all your meals with shakes, and frequently, these programs can be effective for short-term weight loss, but they don't lead to any sustainable change because they're just too hard to stick with. And when we're thinking about health, one of the best things is to look at what is sustainable in the long term. So something that I try and think about when looking at healthy changes to make is, can I see myself doing this change consistently for 5 years? And that can help you, steer yourself more towards some of the healthy shifts that can be sustainable over the long haul. This Christmas break, I had the opportunity to spend a bunch of time with my grandparents. They are both in their 80s. To me, my grandparents are my fitspiration. My 84-year-old grandpa and I, we went for 3 20-mile bike rides together in Tucson. So that was pretty exciting to me. And, one of the really tricky things with some health goals is that once you reach them, then what? What do you do next? And so for me, I like to use my grandparents as my motivation of try and stay healthy for the long haul, make healthy shifts to help me out in the long haul so that I can be riding a bike when I'm 84 years old. So I'm not super huge on having really concrete New Year's resolutions, mostly because I feel like we can make healthy shifts any time of the year. But 3 healthy shifts that I am thinking about right now, and it happens to be New Year's, are that I want to increase my repertoire of healthy fruit and vegetable-based recipes this year. I am also going to challenge myself to ski a cross-country marathon this winter, and I'm hoping that will help keep me challenged and fit during the winter when sometimes all we want to do is snuggle up inside. And third, that I'm really challenging myself to create more. I'm a dancer. Dance plays a really big role in my life, and I love to choreograph. I want to produce more choreography. I want to perform more, and I want to create with my community. So with the dance ensemble I perform, or the dance company I perform with in Boston called Urbanity, as well as with my musical theater community in New Hampshire, and with my husband who is a musician. So those are my 3 healthy shifts that I'm trying to work on this year. I'd love for you to share some of your healthy shifts that you are going to prioritize this now that it is 2019, this new year. And I stay tuned for next Tuesday's Nourishable Raw. That's what science tastes like. Bye.